Welcome to Microwave Engineering playlist. In this session, I'll be going to explain scattering matrix of three-port circulator, and that is what we are dealing with to calculate based on given data. So here question is determine the scattering matrix for three-port circulator where insertion loss is 0.5 dB, isolation is 20 dB and VSWR is 2. So let us first draw scattering matrix of circulator. So here we have circulator scattering matrix for three port. So if we see circulator, and if I say this is the direction, and this is port 1, this is port 2, and this is port 3. Then if I give input at port 1, output at port 2 will appear, input at port 2, output at port 3 will appear, and input at port 3, output at port 1 will appear. So ultimately these are what exactly the signal which should pass through, and that is what we can have a calculation based on insertion loss. So these are the point where if I say input at port 1, output at port 2, so we'll be having S21 input at port 2, output at port 3, so that is S32, and input at port 3, output at port 1, that is S13. So these are the data which is what exactly we are intended to have, and that is what we can have a calculation, we can calculate, that is what we can calculate based on insertion loss. So here insertion loss that is given, that is 0.5 dB. So based on insertion loss, we can say I is equals to 0.5, and that is minus 20 log of S13, or one can say S21, or one can say S32. We have S13 is equals to S21 is equals to S32, right? So only one parameter that we need to calculate. So here we can say log of S13, that is minus of 0.5 divided by 20, so 0.025. So S13 that will be 10 to the power minus 0.025, so 0.944. So S13 is 0.944. It means we have S13, S21 and S232, that is 0.944. Now here one more data that is given, which is isolation loss. So isolation is given, so 20 dB isolation is there. Now what is isolation? If I give port input at port 2, output at port 3 should be isolated. If I give input at port 2, output at port 1 should be isolated. If I say input at port 1, output at port 2, that should be isolated. So ultimately input at port 1, output at port 3 should be isolated. It means S12 that should be isolated, S31 should be isolated, and S23 should be isolated. So ultimately if I say input at port 1, output at port 2 should be there, isolated port should be port 3, means output at port 3 should be isolated. It means S31 should be isolated. Input at port 1, input at port 1, output at port 3 should happen, and in that case P3 should be isolated, means S31 should be isolated. Input at port 2, output at port 3 should happen, port 1 should be isolated, it means S23 should be isolated. Input at port 3, output at port 1 should happen, and port 2, that has to be isolated. So here I have write it wrong. Actually it should be port 2, port 1 should be isolated, so it should be 1, 2 over here, and input at port 3, output at port 1, P2 should be isolated, means S23, that should be isolated. So these are isolated scattering parameter. So now I will be writing this. S12 should be isolated, S23 should be isolated, and S31, that should be isolated. And that is what we can have a calculation based on isolation factor, which is 20 dB, that is given over here. So based on isolation, we can have S12 is equals to S23 is equals to S31, and here isolation is given by 20 is equals to minus 20 log of, let us say, S12, and these three are same. So log of S12 is minus 1, so S12, that is 0.1. So ultimately S12 is equals to S23 is equals to S31, that is 0.1, which is what we can observe over here. And here VSWR, that will explain how much return loss is happening. So return loss could be calculated by input at port 1, output at port 1, input at port 2, output at port 2, and input at port 3, output at port 3. Means S11, S22 and S33. That is what we can calculate based on return loss. So here S11, S22 and S33, that we can calculate based on VSWR. So reflection coefficient will be a scattering parameter. So reflection coefficient, that will be VSWR minus 1 divided by VSWR plus 1. VSWR is 2, that is given. VSWR is 2. So 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So that is 1/3. One can say 0.3333. So this is what actually S11, S22, S33. So ultimately our scattering matrix for this circulator will be S11, S22, S33, that is 0.33. And straightforward signal, that is what we have calculated by 0.944. So here straightforward signal, that is 0.944, and this is even 0.944. And isolation is having scattering parameter, that is 0.1. So this is 0.1, this is 0.1, and this is 0.1. So this will be the scattering matrix for this circulator. I hope that you have understood this, what I want to convey by this circulator scattering matrix problem. So this will helpful you to understand how circulator functions and practically how things are appearing at port. And if you have any query regarding this, you just place that in comment so that we can have a discussion and we can sort out those queries which is there with calculation. Thank you so much for watching this video.